and welcome back to my channel. I have something very special for you guys this hour. I am going to do a do-it-yourself DIY headband wig. Yes, see this one? Yes, it's simply a half a wig and I put the bandana on it. I mean the why am I saying bandana? I put the headband on it and did my baby hairs. So I'm gonna share with you guys a wonderful method that you can do your own headband wig. This right here, it's got combs in it. I just slid it in front of my braids, slid it back, slid it in front of my braids, slid it back like that, okay? And I put my scarf on it, see? Okay, let me show you the back. Look just like a headband wig, honey. And I bought this one purposely to wear up. I bought it just to wear up, okay? I didn't buy it to wear down because down is not cute and I'm not finna get ready to take it down. The only time I'm gonna put this on is when I am going out. So anyway, this is the updo look, okay? Okay. Now these are really cheap. You can get half a wig's dirt cheap. Like this was like 15 bucks, okay? And I chose to get this color. Cute little color. Look, it's so cute. It's a cute color. The hair is a wave. Look, it's gonna be cute. So here is what my unit looks like. It's a half a wig. It comes with this comb. Y'all, I'm not trying to be funny, but I think I'm gonna utilize my comb because my comb is security, honey, and we ain't trying to cut it out. But you can cut it out. You get you some shears, and you can cut it out. I would tell you to leave it in there for your safety. But if you don't want to, it's easy to cut out. Just go around the line right there, and or you can take a thread remover and get it out. Okay, you can do that. But this is what my unit looks like. It's a long, pretty body wave. I got this color because spring is right around the corner, and I want it to be cute. When I put a little sundress on and all of that good stuff. Get down, Sasha. Sit down. You about to go in. No, don't play with me. Yes, I put my dog in timeout. We're not doing that. She thinks she runs this house, and I need to clarify that she doesn't. Okay? So here we go. If you want to do a headband wig and you can't afford it right now, you can go to your local beauty supply store. They sell half a wigs. You can get them short, you can get them long, but they normally no more than $20. But this is what you do. You get it, like I showed you before, this is what I got because I wanted a wave. This is what I got. Just a half a wig. You take this half a wig, you see this comb right here? Either you can cut it out and just pin it down, that's up to you. But on another video, I will show you guys how to sew it around this cap so it can stay in place, okay? But, I mean, if you don't want to go through all the trouble, say, hey, you know what? I don't want to go through all the trouble. Well, then just do this. Do this for temporary. Go to your local beauty supply store and look at their half a wig. So the headband wigs are in. So this is what I did. I went to my local hair store, got me the cutest little $14.99 I could find, and I'm about to put it on for you guys. Here we go. So I'm gonna put it on like this. Ouch. Now listen, here's what she looks like without no headband. This is what she'll look like when you put the half a wig on. Okay? Let me see. I got this in, her name is Ashani by Atua. And Atre, Atua, I don't know how you pronounce it. but I got her in a DR30. This is what she looks like. Okay, so this would be cute if I just left my hair out or whatever. This is cute. Okay, let me show y'all something. So if I want to wear her down, I just got me a little $1.49 headband. Look, watch this. Ooh, look at my edges. It's white. It's that edge control I'm using. Don't pay no attention to that. But I'm finna clean that up. So anyway, this is what it will look like. Sorry, trying to get it in place. This is what it would look like if you wanted to wear it down. Okay. This is a half a wig, y'all. This is a half a wig that was $14.99 that I got from my local beauty supply store. This is not a headband wig. This is just a half a wig. That's what it's called. And it's called instant weave. Sensational have a whole line of them, honey, online. That you can get a bunch of half a wigs, and they are so cute and they're affordable, honey. And sometimes if you go to like your local beauty supply store, the half a wigs are already they cute. They just cute. So I got this color. I love this color. So let's play with her. Let's put her up. Y'all, please don't look at that white residue from that edge control. See, I be leaving stuff on there because I do real true reviews. What we're not gonna do is use that edge control no more. We're not doing that. It's ugly. I'm gonna clean it up because I don't want y'all to see that. Okay, so we're going to see if we can do an updo with this. Okay, just to show y'all the things you can do with a half a wig that you could do with a headband wig. Okay, y'all ain't gotta go out here and spend no extra money. So we're gonna try to, I'm gonna put her up for you to show you what it'll look like with the headband. Okay. So gather some up at the top, at the very, very top as high as you can get it. All right, let me give you the headband look, cause the black, you don't have to do black. You can do the softer bands too, y'all. I'm just doing this one because it's the only one I got at my reach. But think of it, I gotta do that. Okay. This is the up look. Let me do, I don't like that one. I'm just gonna grab one of these. Remember, I'm going to show y'all in another video, hopefully soon, on how to do it without the comb. To me, the comb is more durable, so I just left it in there. To me, it's the easiest. This is that little cheaper headband that I got free the other night with my headband wig that I really bought, the real headband wig. This came in the packaging. So this is what it will look like. This half a wig up, some up, some down. Of course, I don't have my earrings on because, let me see. Do y'all want to see what's some earrings on? Do y'all have to see what's some earrings on? I gotta find some earrings. Say no. Yes, y'all gotta have an image. I'm gonna find me some earrings for y'all. I know some cute hoops would be good, but right. This is what it would look like. Some up, some down. Some up, some down. And the headband. Now, listen, I'm only using this headband because this is the closest one this is the only one I had at my reach. I don't have an all black one that's soft like this. But if I had to wear this look, I would definitely wear one with the softer look. I don't think the hard one did too much for me. But this is what she looks like. Some up, some down. Look, okay, let's take her down. Okay, this is her all the way up. All the way up. I know it looks crazy now, but your headband is going to hide it. Watch. All right, you see how I spreaded it out? This is my bigger one. Don't pay no attention to that. I don't know what's. I got it on backwards. Oh yeah. Yeah, I had it on backwards. Hold on. Okay, see this one sprays out a little bit more. So that's what's gonna cover up everything. And there it go, honey. Now that's up and just a little ponytail. Look. I don't like it like that though. Alright, so let's pin her up. I'm gonna put a couple pins in it just so she can stay in place. I wanted the loose look. I'm just trying to give y'all a sight. So this is her pinned up. I kind of like the updo. I really like the updo. This is what she looks like in the back. And this is why it's important to get the softer like headband that's like wide, because see why? See? It hides it. So honey, see what I'm saying? Ain't it cute? I'm leaving it up because I absolutely love this look. I'm so glad I got the color and everything. Yes, I got her from my local beauty supply store. I paid $14.99 for her. Her name was Ashanti. I got it in the color DR30. I'm going to drop that link below so you can go straight to it and get it. It could be way cheaper than I paid for, honey. But these are quick, affordable looks. If you want that headband wig and you don't want to spend all that money, this is a good way to do it. Half a wig's been in. All you had to do was put a headband on it, honey. It is so cute. I am feeling this. It is so cute. I love the updo. But this is it, guys. If you like this video and you thought it was a great idea, please like and share and show some love for your girl who's dropping the good reviews for you guys and helping you guys out. Listen, if you like my first look, here she goes. Same place, beauty supply store. I would drop the link below so you can go straight to her. If you like that wavy look, you can go straight. I will send you a link and you go straight to her as well. But this is what I did, guys. Listen, I am gonna get me a human one and I will do the review on her, okay? But right now, we are balling on a budget, okay? And we're going to do this quick and easy updo headband wig, girl, that's already at the store. All you gotta do is run over there and pick out which one you want. Do like I did. I cornrowed my hair and just put the comb in there, slid it back, did my edges, and bam, a headband wig. Do it yourself, okay? Thank you guys for tuning in. Like, share, and comment on this video. I want to interact with you guys. Please, if you have not already subscribed, please don't just be looking at my videos and don't subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel and show me some love. And I will see you guys next week for my next great review.